Okay, this is the last thing that you're going to have due for this week, and this is over los estados físicos y anímicos, which is on la página 160, 160, it's 160, 160, los estados físicos y anímicos, and you need to be on that page. I want to show you, we're using the verbs estar and tener. We've talked about those a lot in Spanish 1, and if you don't remember, go back. They're in one of the previous chapters, probably in the blue part of the chapters. Estar is to be, so really it's am, is, are, am in the present tense. And tener usually means to have. And I've told you just a slight bit that they use sometimes tener, which they use it for is. For example, remember when I told you that they say, tengo miedo, I'm afraid. They actually say, I have fear. And remember when I asked you back in Spanish 1, ¿cuántos años tienes? How many years do you have for your birthday instead of how old are you? So they use have for is. So I'll show you what all these mean. And you have these in your book and you have the words. The first one, Ernesto está contento. Ernesto está contento. Ernesto is happy. And then we have Estela y Ernesto están tristes. So Estela and Ernesto are sad. They are sad. That's why it's están. It's not is anymore because it's two people. Están. They are sad. Ernesto está enojado. Hope it's showing number 3. Ernesto está enojado. So that's he's angry. Sorry, Ernesto is angry. And then we have Ernestito over there. Ernestito está enfermo. Oh no, that's Estela. Sorry, because it's a girl. Estela está enferma. Now, if it was a guy, it would be está enfermo. He would be sick and she's sick, so it's está enferma. So that enferma changes. Okay? I hope y'all are seeing these because I can't tell what you're looking at. Number 5. Ernesto está aburrido. He's bored. He's bored. Then Estela está ocupada. That's number 6. Estela está ocupada. She's busy. Then Ernesto, is it showing Ernesto number 7? Ernesto está preocupado. That means he's preoccupied. It more means like he's worried. Not preoccupied, but he's worried. Preocupado. Then we're going to the tener ones. Number 8. Ramón y Amanda tienen hambre. Tienen hambre. They have hunger. But we would just say they're hungry. They are hungry. We wouldn't say they have hunger. But literally, that's how it's translated. Then the next one. Tienen prisa. I don't know who those people are, so I'll just say ellos tienen prisa. They are in a hurry. They are in a hurry. They have hurriedness, but we wouldn't say it that way. Tiene sueño. Amanda tiene sueño. Is it showing Amanda? Amanda tiene sueño? I sure hope it is. That means she's tired. Amanda is tired or sleepy. Then the one with the drinks in front of it, I don't know who that is, but tiene sed. This person is thirsty. Tiene sed. Then down below, Amanda tiene calor. Amanda is hot. And then Guillermo tiene frío. We are using calor and frío again, just like in the weather. So he's hot. And then the last one, tiene miedo, is she is afraid. She has fear. She's afraid. If that's, I don't know who that is. All right, so those are the words. I'll go over them real quickly again because I'm holding that thing up. So just look on your page. Está contento. If you're a girl, you're going to be, yo estoy contenta. Okay? Están tristes. Están tristes. Está enojado. Está enojado. Está enferma. Está enferma. Next line. Está aburrido. Está aburrido. That means you're bored. Está ocupada, busy. Está ocupada, she's busy, she's on the phone. Está ocupada. Next, está preocupado. That looks like preoccupied, but really it means worried. Preocupado means worried, because preoccupied kind of means like, well, I'm thinking of a lot of things, but really preocupado means worried. Tienen hambre. These two are hungry, down at the third row. Tienen prisa. They're in a hurry. Tiene sueño. She's sleepy. Tiene sed. He's thirsty. I think he's a guy. Tiene calor. She's hot. Tiene frío. He's cold. And tiene miedo. She's afraid. She has fear. Must be a guy. Yeah, no, it's a girl. Tiene miedo. Miedo must stay the same. All right, so your activities for this, these are states, you know, in kind of like emotions and physical states. You're going to do the very first activity, which is actividad 11, activity 11. I'll give you some, you're just going to put no or C on these. So I still want you to try to read them. You're probably like, I'm just writing no and C, I don't care. The first one says, es bueno gritar si uno está enojado. And it says it's good to yell if one is mad. Good, bad, I don't know. C, I'd put C on that one. Number 2, si uno está deprimido, es mejor consultar a un psicólogo. And they don't even say what deprimido is. It's probably in your vocabulary list. I think it is. If someone is depressed, it's best to consult a psychologist. Yeah, C. Okay, so just C or no on those. That should be easy. Then on actividad 13, activity 13, you are going to tell me which physical or emotional state is associated with each activity. The first one says, es medianoche y usted ve un ladrón en el patio. So you see, it's midnight and you see a thief on the patio. Are you going to be afraid? Yes, right. Tiene miedo, or tengo miedo if you want to say I'd be afraid. Then let's skip, because number 2 I think is easy. Let's see what number 6. Usted recibe una mala nota en su examen de biología. That's probably easy too, but you receive a bad grade. Number 6. You receive a bad grade on your biology test. You're probably mad or sad. Estoy enojada, or estoy triste. I don't think you'd be bored. Maybe you would be. Okay, so there's that. Then I want you also to do in your workbook, page, hold on, sorry. I just want you to do a listening thing on, it's a review of everything on chapter 4. And it's page 109. And it says a repasar, and it's G. So you'll have to skip along the tracks. Hopefully you can figure out how to get to G, which he'll say hey, because it's G. And he'll say a repasar. And so that, I believe, we're done with this. Oh no, there's one other thing. Sorry. One other thing. Page 164 in your textbook again. I'm back in the textbook. And you're going to put these in order as to what's happening. What is happening in the pictures and what order are they in? You're going to look at the picture and you're going to put the thing in order that happens. Like at the beginning, it looks like it's a festival of the 3 kings. All right, so it's talking about putting your shoes out, because that's what they do. So I think the first one is J. Ponen los zapatos en la ventana y esperan los Reyes Magos. Van a venir mañana muy temprano. That's the very first one. I think, well, I don't see them putting their shoes out. Yeah, that's the first one. That's the J. And then what are they doing in the next thing? Talking about the museum, the biblioteca. So you can figure it out. You're going to put them in order. What's first? J is first. Just put the letters in order. So If you have any questions about it, just read through it. You'll be fine. This is the last thing you're doing for this week, and then happy Feliz Dia de la Independencia tomorrow. Happy 4th of July tomorrow. Adios.